Welcome to today's session. So today we continue looking at division of complex numbers. Our question of interest reads, evaluate the following: -1 minus j divided by -2 minus j3. Okay, so the first principle that we need to apply to evaluate this algebraic expression is again to apply the principle of conjugation. So remember, when you are conjugating an expression in form of a complex number, what matters the most is the sign of an imaginary part. So in this case, what is important is the numerator. So we'll look at the sign of the imaginary part of the numerator. So it's -j3. So here the sign is negative, so the conjugate should carry a positive sign. Hence we are moving from -j3 to positive j3. The real part, which is -2, and this remains the same. Then this helps us to form a special one, and this special one is this denominator divided by the same expression in the numerator. So this is nothing but a 1. Once we do that, it's a matter of multiplying the numerator by numerator, then denominator by denominator. Now since this is a conjugate of this one, when you're multiplying there, it just becomes a square. The middle expressions cancels out. So what you notice is, in terms of the numerator, the denominator, it's just a matter of squaring -2. We get this, then also square this. So it's j times j. Basically what we're getting is -3 multiplied by +3, then -j times, or j times j is j square. So this is what we're getting here. Then what we need to pay attention is the numerator. So it's -1 times -2, this one, then -1 times positive j3, which is this one. So j is positive, so it's negative times positive. Then similarly we expand this one, multiply by this one, we get this. So here basically it's a -1 in front, hence we are getting -1, then j positive. So -1 times -2, then here is -1 multiplied by -3, then j times j, which is j square. Then after that we move forward. Then it's just a matter of simplification here. So what we notice is this is nothing but +2, then this and that is nothing but -j3, which is this one, -j3. Then this is negative times negative is +2, -1 times -2 is +2 times j is 2j. Then this is -1 times, and -1 times 3 is -3 times j square, which becomes -j square 3. Then the numerator, the denominator is basically nothing but this one times that one, which is 4. Then this one times that one is this. Then this is 4, this one. Then this is nothing, because -j square is -1 times -9 is +9. Okay, then next is adding. What we notice is this one becomes nothing but again 3, because it's -1. J square is -1 times negative is positive, so it's 3 plus 2, which is nothing but a 5 here. Then similarly this, we simplify this, which will just give us basically -1. So after simplification, what you notice is this is 5, which is there. Then this is -j negative 1 times j, which is negative j, then this is 13. 4 plus 9 is nothing but a 13. So basically this is how you find the division of two complex numbers, or two expression of the complex numbers. So for more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel. A simple like from you makes a big difference. Thank you.